gosh, I'm so excited for the trip to Tokyo. Are you? It's not Tokyo. I'm going to Paris. We're going to Paris? Yeah. Oh, sorry. I keep mixing up Tokyo and Paris. Okay. And hey, what is up, you guys? It's me, Rarity, the most beautiful pony ever on Instagram. Welcome back to another video. Hey, can you maybe be quiet? I'm trying to sleep, and this is gonna take a while, okay? Oh, how dare you? Please, can you maybe? Mommy! What is it, sweetie? It is taking me, like, forever to figure out the TV. Also, there's no games on it, so what should I do? And I want a cookie! Okay, I'll get you a cookie, and, I'll try to figure out the TV for you. I'm so excited for this plane trip. Really excited. Well, I like going to Paris. I'm so excited. Me too. Alright, I'll call the flight attendant, sweetie, okay? Good, because I want a cookie! Alright, okay. Flight attendant! Oh, yes? Okay, my daughter wants a cookie. Oh, I'm so sorry, we don't have any cookies. I can maybe get you maybe a hamburger or a sandwich or hot dog or anything like that, or a granola bar. Does it look like I want a granola bar? Find a cookie now, or I'm gonna throw a bit of a tantrum, okay? I'll see what I can find. Hello, ma'am. Would you like any beverages or anything like that? Oh, I'm good. Actually, so many choices. What do you have? Gourmet sandwich, hot dog, hamburger, or maybe something. Yeah. Can I have a hot dog? Sure. All right, here you go. Thank you so much. You're welcome. So good. Oh, hey, excuse me. Oh, yes? You are blocking my point of view because I am trying to do an Instagram live and you are bothering me. So can you maybe scooch? I'm like the prettiest pony on earth, so... yeah, I don't think... What, do you have a problem with that? No, it's just that... Just move out of my way, okay? Alright, okay. She's so annoying. You can't just do that to people, okay? Oh yeah, what do you know? I think I know more than you, for crying out loud. Oh yeah, you think so? Yeah?
Yeah, you want to go?
Really think so?
Yeah, sure. You're not
Yeah, you
really
really think
the
so?
prettiest
Yeah,
pony on earth.
you want to go? You want to go? Yeah, you want to go? Ugh. Guys, stop fighting. You really want to go? Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you are. You're a bad person. You are a bad person. Ugh. So, how old are you? I'm 24. I'm 22. Okay. Mommy, where's my cookie? Okay, sweetie. I'll try to get a cookie for you. Let's see if I have one in my bag. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't have any cookies. Mommy, I want a cookie. Well, I'm so sorry. I don't think we have any cookies, okay? I don't think we have any cookies, okay? So I think you should maybe... What's going on?
What was that?
Oh my gosh, what was that? Huh? What the heck was that? I don't know. Look, we don't have any cookies. Cookies. What is going on here? please, do you have any cookies? I'm sorry, but we don't have any cookies. I want the commander. Now, I want to speak to the commander. I'm afraid you can't do that.
Attention all flight attendants. Attention all people. This is your captain speaking. Please, just buckle in your seatbelts. We're going to start to land now.
Finally.
There's going to be some turbulence on the way, so I think you should buckle in your seatbelts.
Why is it shaking? This is so fun! We landed.
Attention all people. This is your captain speaking. We all landed. Thank you for enjoying this flight, and goodbye.